Well, hi crafty crew, this is Deba with Creative 5-Minute Crafts. Today is part 2 of our micro hand lettering course. In the previous part 1 video, we discussed some basics: your paper, your pen, how you hold your pen, and brush strokes. So here, again, we're just going over the basics. Remember, when you're drawing on a page from top to bottom, you're going to apply more pressure. When you're drawing from the bottom of the page up to the top, you're going to lessen the pressure, which will give you a smaller line. right, crafty crew, now make sure you come back for part 3. So I will see you in the next video.